Hello everybody, Winston99 aka Ospadasa here. Welcome back for more video games lesson. So how you guys been doing? Well, tomorrow is Halloween. So before we get started with the video game lesson, there are 2 days on today's order. But first with the young ladies, hers is been asking for playing it back. But please sign and reach out to other people if you guys are a fan of it. But we doesn't what she said. But please, show your support for her and make her happy. Don't forget to take the next step. There are 2 ways. These 2 right here. But please sign for today. Every day to win the fight. But time is running out too fast. And then another one, if you guys are a fan of Light as my mountain, please sign for today and reach out to other people. If all you guys are a fan of that Light, please sign. But first, you have to read this. And please show your support with Disney Know that you love the library much. So, once again, taking the next step or 2 choice. So, I love the library much, so very much. Please sign detail on today's order for today, every day, to 1. Back to the video game lesson. All these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please play all your favorite video games and everything else first before watching this video. Yes, there are a lot of upcoming games coming out very soon and stuff. Yep, you gotta wait and see first. Remember, look it up on the name of the game console for yourself if I go too fast. And don't forget, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by a different game console. So, let's get going. This is where we left on. Right here. Speaking of, I messed it on that I saw you on Caesar, but time is running out too fast. But we still have a lot of time, but please sign for today, every day to order to win this. And please don't be nervous. If you guys love the library much, just sign. And please, for kindly show your support. Show your support for today. Oh, everybody loved that game. I believe it's the same game developer who made Devil May Cry. So there she is. Yeah, my poor older brother thought that way. I did play that first game, but he weighs very bad. Yeah, Me, you guys have watched his channel of his video update, so yeah. Sorry, big bro. Honestly, I do love the old Ben 10 series. That's years ago. That's what I talk about. And I sadly heard the Cartoon Network had been shut down, sadly. Who's a friend of Benny and Aikman scene? I am. But for the news, we heard our favorite game developer is working on a new Benny game, so it takes time. Don't worry about it. So let them take their time as well. So you guys gotta hold your horses. Just hold it at the Don't know yet. We're almost. Hold on, Dad. We'll stop right here. See you in the next video. Bye.